Hi, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Well, today we're going to be learning how to draw a cool, awesome, imaginary character, Superman Pikachu. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Well, let's go see what we can come up with. For the first step of making our Superman Pikachu, we're going to begin by making two very big ears. Now let's connect those two ears that we just made. Great start. Now we're going to make the top half of the cape that will sit right below the neck of our Superman Pikachu. Now we're going to make one C curve coming down from the left side of the ear. At the tip of each ear, we're going to make one line coming across. Later on, we're going to color this portion in black. Awesome, fantastic start. Now to the right of the page, we're going to begin to make the right arm and hand of our Pikachu. Then we'll hop over to the left side and we'll do the same thing that we just did to the right. Once we have both arms and hands completed, we're going to begin to make the lower body of our Superman Pikachu. Now in the center of the chest, we're going to make our awesome, outstanding Superman logo. Now we are going to move by the left arm, where we will begin to make our Superman cape. Then we will hop over to the right side and we will make the other side of our Superman cape. We also can't forget our Superman Pikachu's tail, which we're going to make right now. Last but not least, we're going to move into the face, where we will finish adding detail to the face of our Superman Pikachu. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your Superman Pikachu with us.